Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the removable scratch-resistant full windshield from Tusk for the 2020 and newer Polaris Ranger. Hey, what's going on everyone, and thank you for checking in. So if you have a 2020 and newer Polaris Ranger and you're looking to get a windshield on there, look no further than this one from Tusk. This is made from 3/16 polycarbonate. What's great about this one also is that it is scratch resistant. It's got a hard coat on there, so it gives you better durability and clarity over a long period of time. Another great feature about this windshield is that it is very easy to install and also remove. You've got these Velcro straps, 2 on each side. So to put this on, you just put the windshield on, tighten down those straps, and to take it off, it just takes a few seconds. So very simple to remove this if you're not going to be using it. Again, 3/16 polycarbonate, it goes the entire width of the roll cage, so it gives you an awesome field of view. You do have weather stripping that goes around the entire thing as well, just to help give a good seal, help prevent any rattling. And also, when it comes to a full windshield, a lot of people like to pair that up with a rear window as well, so we actually have that here on this Ranger also. Rear window just helps to enclose the cab a little bit more. Also, it helps prevent the dust from swirling as much inside the cab, so a couple good bonuses there. So if you are picking up a full windshield, definitely want to check out that rear window as well. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab one today, it's simple. Click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. When you're on the product page, to ensure that you get the proper fitment, it's really easy. Just enter the year, make, and model, and you're going to be good to go. Orders over $75 ship free. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.